Hello everyone. At this session we want to learn about Chahargah, one of the very beautiful mode in Persian music's interval. So, okay, we are going just to start it from Do. Do, quarter tone, your first fret, and if natural or mi, so Do, Re, Coron, Mi, Fa, and then you can continue Sol, La, Coron, Si, Do. So you figure it out, you have two quarter tones, Do, Re, Coron, and Sol, La, Coron, Sol, La, Coron, Do, Re, Coron. Please practice this interval with me. Sol, La, Coron, Do, Re, Coron. Again, Sol, La, Coron, and Do, Re, Coron. You can just parallel this interval to Sol, La, Coron, Do, Re, Sol, La, or Do, Re, Coron, Sol, La. Practice Sol, La, and Do, Re, Sol, La, Coron, of course, and Do, Re, Coron on any intervals on your C string and G string, and also bass string. Do, Re, Coron, or Sol, La, Coron, Do, Re, Coron. Then you can practice the whole interval from Do, from the bass string, like this. For Do, you can play this Do or a free position on your first string. And then you can come to the lower. Again. After you're getting master of playing these intervals or gum like 1,000 times, then you can sing with it to get a better sense of it. Do, Re, Coron, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do, Do, Si, La, Coron, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Coron, Do, Si, La, Sol, Fa, Mi, Re, Coron, Do. And then repeat it after me 1,000 times. And then you can get master of Chahargah's interval. We are going to spell it like this. C-H-A-R-G-A-H. Chahargah. Thank you so much. Let's play درآمد چهارگاه. Improvise a little bit of that mode or maqam or dastgah, and then you can continue practicing slowly by this example that I'm playing for you. I'm going just to sing the music note also for you, then it is easier for you. Sol, La, Sol, La, Sol, La, Do, Si, Do. Do, Si, Do, Re, Coron, Do, Si, La. Again. Sol, La, Sol, La, Sol, La, Do, Si, Do. Do, Re, Do, Si, La. Sol, La, Si, Do, Do, Si, Do, Do, Si, Do, Do, Si, Do, La. La, Si, Si, La, Si, La, Si, La, Si, La, Si. La, Si, Do, Re, Do, Re, Do, Re, Do, Re. Re, Re, Do, Si, Do, Re. Mi, Fa, Re, Mi, Do, Re, Re, Do. La, Sol, La, Do. La, La, Do. Bam, or bass string. Without my singing. Practice your instrument with this mode. Let's move on to another دستگاه. دستگاه شور, one of the very big دستگاه that has 5 branches or 5 children. Okay, let's start it from fa on string bam or F on your bass string. Fa, sol. And the interval would be sol, la, coron, si bemol, do. And then, now let's try دستگاه شور. And let's practice on your instrument or setar instrument or singing on دستگاه شور to get a better sense of these interval, these دستگاه's mode or مقام's interval. Okay, let's start it from G. For example, Shour on G or Shour sol. Shour is spelled S-H-O-U-R. Okay, sol, la coron, si bemol, do, sometimes re coron, sometimes re bekar, and mi bemol, and then fa and sol. Just listen to this. And then again practice from all strings and every intervals that you have, like do, re coron, mi, fa, sol, la coron, si bemol, do, re coron or re bekar sometimes, mi bemol, fa, sol, then la coron, si bemol, do. And then you can come back from the top to the end of the string, like do, si bemol, la coron, sol, fa, mi bemol, re coron, do, si bemol, la coron, sol, fa, and back to sol. Again, fa, started from fa because most of the time we are going just to do the درآمد or first گوشه from fa, sol, fa, sol. Just going just to emphasize on sol a lot, fa, sol, and stay on it. Fa, sol. Okay, again with me. Fa, sol, la coron, si bemol, do, re coron, mi bemol, fa, sol, la coron, si bemol, do, and you can just go to the sol like re coron, mi bemol, fa, sol, anything, or start from sol, la coron, sol, fa, mi bemol, re bekar or re coron, do, si, la coron, sol. Just write it down and practice on those and just repeat it. Sometimes you can go off like sol, do, mi, re coron, do, fa, si bemol, la, sol, to just get a better sense of the interval that you're supposed to use it on improvisation or the first گوشه. It's enough for you to understand about the whole مقام or دستگاه. Okay, so you can sing it with me. Fa, sol, la coron, si, do, re coron, mi, fa, sol, sol, fa, mi bemol, re coron, do, si bemol, la coron, sol, fa, sol. Listen to the mode. For example, improvising on درآمد or prelude, the first گوشه of each دستگاه. Now we are on دستگاه شور. Fa, sol, la, si, la, sol, la, sol, la, sol, la, 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 sol, si, la, sol, do, si, la, si, la, sol, do, si, la, si, la, sol, la, si, do, si, la, sol, la, si, la, sol, si, la, sol, si, la, sol, la, coron, fa, 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 sol, la, sol, fa, sol, la, fa, sol, do, sol, So on درآمد, even we didn't go to re or mi or fa and the octave. This is good enough for having sense of this Dastgah.